Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. My name is Strix, and on this channel we share one little spark of life in each and every video. We hang out every Monday, Friday, and Saturday and unbox subscription boxes, review products, share our love for all things Disney, and go through our shopping hauls. If any or all of that sounds like something you would like to see more of, make sure you click the subscribe button before you leave here today. That way YouTube will let you know each and every time I upload a new video. And if you are a returning member of our community, welcome back. Thank you so much for your continued support. It is so great to see you today. So today we have a plant unboxing. This is going to be the third unboxing on this channel from the houseplant shop. Now, of course, in the description box down below, I am going to be listing all of the information about houseplant shop, as well as the link to the website so you can check it out for yourself. But to give you a rundown, the houseplant shop offers many different tiers and many different options to fit your needs. What I have subscribed to over the last 3 months has been the lowest tier, which comes with a 4-inch plant of a pet-friendly plant. So before we do see what I got this month in the mail, wanted to show you my Chinese money plant. This is the first one that I unboxed, the first one that I received, and I am really impressed this last month with the growth of this one. It did definitely go up in height, and I had many more little leaves sprout up. Now I do have a few leaves that are burning. I think that it is getting a little too much direct sunlight, but unfortunately it's one of the only windows I have in my apartment, so that's where it is going. So I am pleased with this one. And then we have the peperonium plant that I received last month. So if you watched last month's unboxing, you might remember that it came a little damaged. Not so much the plant itself, but the root system was a little damaged. It was actually completely out of the nursery pot that it came in, and the box looked extremely damaged. It looked like somebody had dropped boxes on it or thrown it around in the mailroom. But this is what the plant looks like now. There were a few pieces that did unfortunately die off whenever I repotted this, but overall pretty impressed with this one. All right, and now it is time for this month's box. So the reason that it is already opened is because this month's box, or February's box, technically, that's right, you heard me right, February's box was shipped off from California on February 18th. Let me make sure I got that date correct. Yes, February 18th. And I definitely do not blame the company for this, all because they took care of their business. But this plant, this live plant that was mailed almost a month ago, just got to me. And I understand there's tons of things going on in the country, so completely understandable. But I actually wasn't planning on unboxing this at all on the channel. I was actually going to play the game over on my Instagram page of how dead is this plant? And when I opened up the box, it wasn't really that dead at all. It looked a little dehydrated, but not too dead. So whenever you do get a houseplant shop box, you get a few things in before we actually dive into the plant. So you get a little graphic card. This is actually the one, if I'm looking at it's on my fridge, this is the exact one that we got in January. That's okay, it's still cute. I might put this one up in my classroom. So it says love, peace, and plants. And then you get a little information card about the plant that is in the box. So this month we have a peperomia ripple red. So they include a nice little graphic for you so you can see what a healthy plant looks like. And then on the back, they do have all of the information specific to this. So this, of course, is a pet-friendly item. The origin is Brazil. It prefers temperatures 60 to 80. It likes bright filtered indoor light and about a lower to moderate water. And it says that they also include the common issues. No common issues, although overwatering causes yellow leaves and soggy stems. So that is good to take a look out for. All of the plants, whenever they do come, they come in nursery pots. I'm not exactly sure about their larger plants, but I know their 4-inch plants come in nursery pots, and then some craft paper wrapped around it, and they're rubber band at the top. Let me go and grab some scissors. You would think after a year of doing unboxings, I would remember to bring scissors to these things. But no, I am always extremely unprepared. Got them. It appears that this one has lost a bit of soil in transportation as well, but it's mostly in the box, so I will just scoop this in. I'm going to water it and keep it in the nursery pot for a few days just to see if it can sort of perk back up, and then I'll repot it. I'll probably repot it this weekend. By the way, whenever I did say that it just came in the mail, I am pre-filming this. You are going to be watching this, assuming you watch it the day that it uploads, on a Saturday, but I actually filmed this on Tuesday. What is today? The 9th. March 9th is whenever I'm filming this and when the plant actually came. So keep in mind, it looks quite wilted. It looks like me on a Friday afternoon, but It's still alive. It is still alive, and I think it is still kicking. I have, let me be honest, I have bought at like Lowe's plants that look worse than this, watered them, and then they bloomed back to life. So I'm thinking that with a little TLC, a little water, it will perk right back up, especially because I see like there are some new blooms that are starting here with some not with flowers, with some leaves. So I definitely do think that a little water, a little care, a little like singing to the plant is definitely, hopefully, going to perk this right on up. Let us know in the comments down below, do you subscribe to Houseplant Shop? What has your experience with that company been like as of late? This is going to actually be for a while my last box from Houseplant Shop. Not that I wasn't pleased with it, because I definitely was, even with some shipping issues. Definitely was pleased with the quality of items, but I just do like to do the thing where I try boxes out for X amount of months and then try a similar type of box out. So I am on the lookout for other pet-friendly houseplants boxes out there. If you know of any, please let me know in the comments down below so that I can check them out. If I don't find any though, I do really like green plants, so chances are I'm going to go right back to a few more months of this box. All right, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.